Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadullo, teacher and profession whose passion is to do video tutorial. Today, I will teach you how to convert Microsoft Word table to Microsoft Excel Spreadsheet. So, what are we going to do? Okay, let us try to open now the table that we wanted to copy. So, this is now the table that we wanted to copy in Microsoft Word, and you need also to open Microsoft Excel. So this is now the Microsoft Excel. So let us go back to Microsoft Word. What are we going to do? So just copy or just highlight all the data that we wanted to copy. Let's say wanted all on this page. Then just click copy. And once you click copy, you can now proceed to Microsoft Excel. And then you copy the arrow here, not this one here, but the arrow, so that you can have two options. You can have keep source formatting, and you can have match destination formatting. So if you will use this one, you can see the table is not properly oriented. So what you will do is to use the skip source formatting. Okay, there you have it. And then you will see that it's not properly uh, done. So what I'm going to do is to do some editing. Let us see, wanted this one to be at the center. You just highlight and just click merge center, merge and center. Okay, there. Same with this. You highlight up to that part there, and then merge and center. Same here, so that it will be in the center part. Merge and center. And then you can do some revisions later. Okay, let's do it this one. Okay, then what we'll do next, since we already done our heading, you can just move this one since we wanted this to be accommodated. So you can just go to the top part and then uh, place your cursor in a way that you can see that black cross. And then just left click and then you drag it to the left. Let's see, you did it there. To the right. Okay. You can do the same with the other if you want to increase the sizes. Okay. And do all the cells. Okay, then you can just adjust this one. Okay, just upward. Also left click and move the cursor upward. Okay, left click upward. 775. You can also do it in one time. You can just highlight, just determine the height. So I have your 24. You can highlight all. One, and then you go to format, and then you go to height, and then just type the height you wanted to 2400, then just click OK. Automatic L will be done accordingly. So you have it there. Then just do some revisions. Okay, you can just move this one. Just double click. Double click, move. Okay. And do all the, okay, we are done. To set the below part, and then we notice that there is one word here. You can cut this one and paste to the desired place. You can cut and then you can move it here. Paste. Okay, there you have it. Then you can move down to see what happens on the lower part. Okay, there is what happens to this is what happened to our uh, name, so we can just move this one. What you will do is just to copy paste this one. You can cut this one, cut and paste here. You can just do some movement letter. Okay, we will finish later the arrangement. Then this one you can cut and then you can move it here so that it will be at the center. Same at this. Do the same with the other. Then we have the last part. Cut, and then you paste. This one too. Highlight, cut, and paste. This one. Cut and paste. And you can just set this one. You can merge this so it will be at the center. This one is already at the center. So there's no need to do something. This one, you can just, yeah. Okay, there you have it. And next thing to do is to, oh, this one, we still have to centralize this one. So you can do the same, highlight, then words and center. Okay, merge and center. Same. Okay, then you can now do some revisions. If you want, you can change this one. And now change this. Let us see. And whatsoever, you can change whatever you want. And then you can also try to check if this is true. Let's see, you wanted to use the function of an Excel, so just highlight all this and check if it is really 50. Okay, just go to sum, then sum. See if it okay. Let's get 50. You can also do the same. So do the same. It's 50 total score. But here you cannot use this one. You cannot add all this because it's just numbering. So you cannot add all this. You can do the total part. This one. So it can be used whatever spreadsheets you have. So let's say I want to total this out. If you do not have the total, then you can just go to some, or you can just click auto sum. And then you have there 50. Okay, there we have it. Okay, you can now set for printing. If you will view this one, file, print, and then what will be viewed is that one. So that means we did not set our papers. So what you will do is just to go to page setup. You can change the paper size. So let us say you still wanted A4. Since I use A4 in the Microsoft Word, you can also use A4. But if we wanted long band paper, you can just scroll it down. You can click legal. There's a legal, but then I wanted it to be A4. And then margins, we can set the margins to, let us decrease the margin, 0.5, same at the top. Also want it to be 0.5, just click the arrow, or you can type 0.5. Then here, you can also 0.5, same with below. 0.5. Okay, then if you wanted it to be at the center, you can just look here, center on page, and click horizontally and vertically. Then click OK. Okay, but then we haven't changed the orientation, so you can change this one here, portrait orientation to landscape orientation. There we have it. And you will notice it's not being accommodated. So what are we going to do is you can go back to this, and you can move the cells. You can decrease the cell size so it will be accommodated, or you can decrease the ratio. Okay, you can decrease all this so that this line here, this one, can be accommodated. Okay, then our problem is the size below here. Can also decrease the cell size. Again, let us highlight all this, and we can decrease the size to, let's see, format cell. Let us see what height we want. Let us say 20. Let's see if it will be accommodated. Okay. Okay, so we just end up with noted. So what we can do is just to again go to page layout. So we are done with the margin, we are done with the orientation, with the size. So what we're going to do is just to customize. Since it's not yet accommodated, you just go to page and you can decrease the size. You can adjust the size to, let's say, 95% and 90. so it will just be accommodated. Let's click it and see. Okay, there you can see that it's already accommodated. The line is already beyond the name, so you can just click save, then browse where you wanted it to be placed, so you can rename. That is a book one, then just save, and then you can now print this one because it's already being set up. You can just click file, print, and there you have it. You already set this one, the table, or you can make this at the center. You can do it also. You can go back. You want it to be at the center. You already done it before, but Microsoft Excel failed to do so. Decentralize it. But then if you will just go to print preview, still it's not balanced. Okay, you can just do some revisions here. You can also here do some movement. You can enlarge to make sure that it will not be beyond this line. Okay, that's it. Let's see if we can save again, then file, print. Let's see if it's already okay. There you have it, my dear viewers. We are done, and then we can see that all the data that we copied from Microsoft Word uh, is already here in the spreadsheet. And then it's now ready for printing. You can just click the type of printer you have, then click print, then there you have it. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, you can just click the like button. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. See you on my next video.